you, pal. No, it's...
Either like, it's light enough that you just can't see the flame, or you get the flash on, you can't see the flame.
Yeah.
I feel like a dinosaur when I eat shot like this one. You and your socks on.
Yeah.
Primal.
Yeah.
These are definitely scaring all the nicey-niceys, this kind of behaviour.
A bit of pink at the sound one from my
I'm going to come back and I'll put the meat sticks on, yeah?
Fucking banging, mate.
Like 5 minutes.
Look at this. What are you making?
Honestly, mate, not a fucking clue. Just winging it. Winging it.
He does have to find out he's always got some in the evolution, the boo boo boo, the boo boo boo. What's the There's no trivia. Damn. No one knows this one. Oh shit. I think they're keys or something weird like that. Something funky going on with these guys, these things. I always get a phone bag of this one, man.
I don't have any good
You're trusting him.
Don't know if they get it though.
Maybe I say something's afoot
I
instead.
don't know if they get it, mate.
Something's afoot kind of sounds like I can't speak English right though. I'll say I'm not.
It's cooked inside first.
Yeah.
So it is a reverse.
That will be a reverse sear. And then a sear is if you sear it and then cook it, is it?
Yeah. I think
see-
the sear could come under all, and that could come under half sear.
He loves it.
Oh yeah.
Holy shit.
leave me alone!
Robot. Are they sketches the shoes that breathe?
What's the airflow like in
Shit, man. Badass.
Fucking no, Geox made it seem like you've got air freshener in your shoes.
I got a pair. Every time I step, I'm like,
Geox?
Man, today at 8 was talking about my form to me on Monday. So you know the fucking like quite large Asian guy makes edits. Today at 8, yeah.
I know the guy you're talking
I've
about.
struck up a conversation. I've struck up.
Jacked Indian.
No, that's Lux Max Vegas. He's a different guy.
No, that's a different guy.
I don't have a.
His name's Farhan.
Recording.
Man.
Chuffing hell. Fuck me.
that's actually
Get him hot, Sonny. Sonny, get it hard, get it hard.
Oh, the fucking grill, mate.
It's actually really toasty warm for me.
Tell you
Bloody lovely.
That's so good.
Is it what? Ah!
Yoish!
Yeah, let's let them cook down a bit, Charlie. Don't let him in on that one. You just tell him and he's like, oh, cheers, sorry.
Oh, yeah.
But I mean, here's the.
And people that no, you haven't tried Turkish coffee. No, but except it's not coffee though, it's different. Actually, it's quite over there.
Started an argument between the Hutus and the Tutsis about go off.
Actually, it's Belgians. Yeah, man, the moment, you know, like the bit of Breaking Bad where Hank looks up and the moment of realization to me, you when I'm telling you about how obviously the Belgians didn't invent the ethnic difference.
If that book has kicked,
Like,